Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It is March the 8th, midnight tonight is my birthday, so we're celebrating today, not tomorrow, because tomorrow is Saturday and I won't be here, so I didn't want to miss it. So I'm 55 today, very, very happy and healthy and well, and got the best job in the world, so more than I deserve, and extremely happy and very proud to be here and part of this family and all the rest of it. So yeah, looking forward to today. I'm not drinking just yet. I know we're going to have a lot of fun today, drinking and partying and having fun. But we can't start that just yet because I've got a review to do this morning. Plus, I've got an interview with our next CEO today, Meet the CEO series. Of course, we're talking to Ronald Dutt today from Flux Power. Very excited about that. So Ronald Dutt's coming up today at 10 o'clock. So I need to be completely completely sober and ready to rock and roll for that. But after that, then everything changes. Everything changes after that. I love all the messages. Let's get straight into it this morning. Okay, so here we go. Let's see the messages that were here the first this morning. Happy birthday. Cool, buddy. Thank you. Happy almost birthday and many more. Eric B, thank you. MLBX, happy birthday. Anthony Rossetti, happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday. King Martin, Lance Strength, Kevin Schools, happy birthday. And Sundown Sam, happy birthday as well. Thank you very, very much indeed. Well, we're starting off a nice green day today. We had more reviews go out yesterday. I hope you caught all the reviews. So lots of stuff we put out yesterday. As I say, we will get into the party later on. But just for now, we've got to be sensible. We want to do a great interview with Ronald Dutt. Mr. Mankey has sent me in something about Nicola. So I'll be taking a look at that shortly. Thank you very much indeed. Links for YouTube. Breakfast bar, we've got some stuff coming in this morning on the breakfast bar. What have we got here? We've got Eric B. I live my life one trade at a time. I'm loving it. Okay. Oh, hello. What we got here? We got behind the scenes. I like this. Behind the scenes. All right. Love it. What else have we got? Let me give Eric B some love there. Mike, thank you. Always. Mike, hello. Good morning to everybody. Obviously, I'm a bit concerned at the moment. We've not heard from Stephen Lewandowski for ages. But then Eric B disappeared for the longest time, and he's back. So you never know. You just don't know, do you? We've always said try and let someone let us know if something happens, because we do feel that we're a family here. We are a family, and we miss people when they're not here. We were really worried for ages about Eric B, and we're so glad that Eric is back with us today. All right, really worried for. Okay, let's all got some more messages. Kevin Schools, happy birthday, Joseph Lamb. Thank you very much indeed. All right, as you can see, we are a green day today once again. Portfolio it was read earlier, 72,000 now. It started at $5,000. We're now at $72,000. So all looking good. Now then, we got quite a busy day. So let me give you all the links you're going to need. All right. So first of all, this show will take you directly to the 24-hour stream when I end this show this morning. So let me just customize the show. You can't do that before the show starts. Otherwise it does funny things. So let me send you to that. Okay. So at the end of the show today, we'll go to the 24-hour stream for about 15-20 minutes as I get ready for my interview with Flux Power Ronald Dutt. Okay, so I'm now going to give you the link to where we are. So this is the extra today, extra after this. After this event. Okay. Let me just pin that to the top. There it is. Pin that to the top. There you go. There is the event where we're going to go to, which is the 24-hour stream. It's actually 12 hours at the moment, but soon be 24 and 360 as well. You can actually move around in the studio. That's where we'll go in between the shows. All right, and then later on we've got coming up. I will give you the link when you are in there for the next event. It's going to be this event here. Let me share with you. We're going to be doing Meet the CEO next in our series. Ronald F. Dutt today. Now, we're talking about lithium batteries today, a very unique battery, the way it works. It's you can update it over the air and see the state of the battery and some great stuff. I'm really looking forward to learning about this. You know all the little carts you see running around the airport? Those batteries in there. That's what we're talking about today. The airport, little carts running around. Brilliant. That's that business today. Now, I did give you the opportunity to ask Ronald some questions, and I'll give you the link for that in the extra channel where we go after this. Makes sense? So I did give you a video announcing this event. We've had a lot of videos since then. There we go. Ronald Dutt. This is the video. Now, if you'd like to ask Ronald Dutt, he knows all about lithium batteries. He knows all about lithium batteries. This is a 1 minute 56 second video you have to go and see, because if you want to ask him a question, you have to comment to this video. All right, if you want to ask Ronald Dutt a question, you have to comment to this video. This is where I'll find the comments, the questions to ask him. So let me give you the link to that. This is the Ronald Dutt Flux Power introduction, Meet the CEO. It's only 1 minute 56 seconds long, but let me give you the link to that now. So at some point when this finishes, you can go and have a quick look at it. Right, there it is. I'll give it you 3 times. I'll also give it to my Rumble audience as well. You may wish to engage with this, because if you want to ask him a question, I'll be looking there for the comments to put to him. All right, so there you go. I'll also put it on our Facebook stream as well, so make sure everyone has got that. Okay, so here we go. Let me just give it to my Facebook stream as well. All right, just bear with me a second. Right, there it is. There's the video for the question, if you want to put a question to him. All right, brilliant. Now after that, once that is done, then that video, that live show, it's a live event. That live event will go straight through to the party, the birthday party, which is the closing bell, but we're going to go early. All right. So this is the closing bell 2 hours early, because I want to allow lots of time to celebrate and drink and have some fun. All right. So let me share here. That'll be the next event that will go after Ronald's interview. There we go, that there. And then of course that will go into the music concert, the actual party tonight after the closing bell, after this video live event. All right, so there you go. Is that everybody clear? Everybody know what we're going to do today? I hope so. Right, we're having a nice green bounce at the moment, which is good to see. If we've got any news, we'll cover it. And let's get straight into it. Now then, we put out a video. I put out a video last night, an analysis video on Big Bear. Remember, I do analysis for you to give you the best information that I can find, which is real, unbiased, impartial. It's not there to pump the stock. It's not there to help anyone or help you. It's not there to promote anything. And yesterday I put out an analysis video all about Big Bear. As you can see, I said it would go down. I said it was not a buy from me, did not look good. The balance sheet was not good. The debt situation was not good. And it's gone down 22%. Now, when I put that out, I took some flack on StockTwits, where we've got lots of, gamblers and some decent investors, but a lot of very aggressive, people that want me just to say great things. I'm only going to say great things about a company if I think it's great. Remember, I'm not sponsored or paid by anyone, and I wouldn't take it anyway. I'm here to help people, right, and tell you the truth. So I put it out, and this person and a couple of people said, this stock is great. You don't know what you're talking about. It's fantastic. All you focused on was the balance sheet and the margins position and the debt and blah, 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 blah. Like, that's not important. What you should be focusing on is these charts that this guy had done, predicting the future, and he could see all kinds of magic in the horizon. Well, the stock did go down, like we said, need 22% now, and it's still falling. Who knows from here? But it wasn't a buy yesterday, was it? And if you'd bought it like yesterday and you'd listened to these couple of people on Stock Twitch, you'd have lost a lot of money. So our reviews are there to give you informed decisions. You do what you want with information, but it's not there to promote your personal cause and hopefully you get rich for doing nothing. It's not what it's about. Anyway, let's read some more comments. Let's have a quick look. Largo, RBT people. I'm not sure I know what that means. Rob Terrell, good morning. Happy birthday. Largo, happy birthday. Raman, hi all. Happy birthday. Lisa, happy birthday, Lisa Wang. How are you this morning? Ed Nevitt is here as well. Now, the phone line is open to all members of the channel. You can call in today. If you want to be a member, that's how you become a member. Just quickly popped up to see if he's still conscious. The party really doesn't start until after the interview with Ronald Dutt. Be back later. Have fun. Oh, yes. Bread. Good morning. Thank you for the cake. Happy birthday, Martyn. I'll be joining you tonight for a beer or two. Lovely. I can't wait for it. Happy birthday, Martyn. Happy birthday, Matthew Kelly. Thank you. BBAI is a good company for PLTR to take over to go after the small companies. Sundown Sam, are you the guy who I was referring to on Stock Twits? Because he mentioned PLTR as well. And as I say, the information that I give is designed to help people, not to promote causes. I want it to do well. I want every business to do well. But my priority are my viewers and my members getting the facts that help them, and that's why everyone here makes money. We're not gamblers. At least I hope we're not. Anyway, so anyway, BBAI is a good company for PLTR to take over to go after those small companies. That's an interesting point. Happy birthday, AJ. Thank you very much indeed. Sound is up, one of our biggest stocks on our show. Yes, indeed. Hi, Martyn. Happy birthday. And can you add in your stock review list RDW? I can, but you are a member. You are a member. I'm not adding any more to the free list at the moment. There are too many on the list. There's over 70. And there's also too many on the paid super chatted jump the queue list as well. There will be members days when I do some reviews for members as well, for non-members. Sorry, for the members for free as well. But at the moment, obviously, I've got people that have super chatted me for reviews. They jump to the top, and I've got too many of those at the moment, so I can't take your review at the moment. Happy birthday, Ian Rogers. No, but I own PLT, or it wasn't you. Okay, I'm glad about that. You own PLTR. A lot of our viewers here do own PLTR. We've reviewed PLTR, Palantir many times. We cover all the earnings of Palantir. It's a very popular stock on our show, and we like it. What Chris Karp is doing is great. Love what the guy's doing. It's a great stock for the future, no doubt about it. But it's like Tesla. It's always overbought. RBT taking off. Largo, thank you. Well, if you remember, I could review it and do the earnings and make a video on it. But unfortunately, I have to focus on the members. Right, we've got a bit of time before the bell. So let's go through our stocks. Gold is up. S&P is up today. This is my portfolio. Started at $5,000 and no options, no margin right now. Never shorted a stock, and I'm at 72,196. Target is $100,000 this year and $1 million in the maximum 12 years. And I only started 2 years ago, and there's no doubt about it. We will do it. I'm expecting it to do it in a lot less than 12 years, and I've shown you on the screen my plan to get there as well. All right, how exactly I'm going to get there. Stick to the plan, and that's it. Let's read some more comments. Happy birthday, Ramesh. Thank you. BBSI is a good company, and good companies you buy going up, and if they go down as well. BBSI is good companies, and good companies you buy going up, and if they go down. I'm not sure I understand your comment. Could you repeat that? Happy birthday, David Warnes. Thank you very much indeed. Jennifer, March the 8th. 8th is International Women's Day. I congratulate the lovely woman on this beautiful holiday. I congratulate the lovely women on this beautiful holiday. There we go. Jennifer, it is, I didn't know that. It's International Women's Day today. I didn't know that. Maybe we should get loads of women in, and then I'll tell you what, is it really International Women's Day today? Because we might do some special songs for our ladies tonight in the music channel at the end of in this evening in the closing bell. There's the music channel. Jennifer, if you join me tonight on the music channel, I can do you 14 different voices from Michael Bolton to Michael Jackson, and we can do some special songs for you. All right. Okay. Good morning, all. Randy B. Happy birthday. Thank you so much indeed. Happy birthday, Martin. Thank you, Randy B. It's midnight tonight, of course, but we're doing it so we can have fun today. But so anyway. XRP shares that you should definitely have today. DDD and FSR. Crypto Pepe Bonk payday next week. XRP. Well, we cannot confirm what XRP said. He's not a member, and we can only confirm information delivered by the members. Steve Wally, thank you very much indeed. The birthday party will start after I've interviewed Ronald Dutt this morning. Yes, 8th of March. How come you don't know that? How come I don't know about International Women's Day? I don't know. Maybe because I'm not a woman. Maybe I've never heard of it. I don't know. You probably didn't know about my birthday until I told you. So I'm just saying. Anyway, let's have a look. Where are we this morning? This is the 20. Oh, let me do this first. The 24-hour stream, soon to go 360. This weekend, I'm setting up the 360 cameras. So you want to be part of this stream. You might see me. You might see me doing it live. So join me. This is where we chat in between the shows, where everyone has a voice, where we provide information. I come back live and update news and whatever. So let me give you all the links you need. Here's the alpha spread for all my reviews. My members get a lifetime discount. Here's StockTwits, my army on StockTwits. Here's the music channel for the concert tonight. Here's how you become a member. Here's my Instagram. Here's Facebook. Here is Rumble. Here is my X account where I post trades and what I'm doing. The all links button if you want a birthday card on your birthday, and if you want all kinds of perks and benefits, there's the all links. We got a competition starting soon. $100 cash giveaway. There's the extra channel. And now we've got our new service on Discord. It's now members only. Great place to share information and research and share it with the show. There is the Discord. You click on that link. It will take 10 minutes to get through the first time for security. Then send me a friend request. And my name is Martyn Lucas, MartynLucas. Please spell it correctly. I have many people that are scamming, pretending to be me. So very important. Make sure that you do spell it correctly. Then please share. This is very important. Please share your Discord username in the YouTube chat when you've done it, so I can search for you and verify you and confirm it's you. Otherwise, if you just send me a friend request, I don't know who you are, different names and all the rest of it. I like to confirm it's you on YouTube, that you are a member. That way we don't have bots and scammers and and silly people in our stream. We only have proper investors and intelligent, useful people. Put it that way. That's blunt, isn't it? Yeah. All right. Then I will upgrade you so you can see all the channels, and then you can research, send information in, and be part of all the inner circle stuff. All right. There is the link. Let me now give those links to those of you that are watching on the extras channel. There you go. Done that. Thank you very much indeed. All right. We're going to do another review in a minute. Now then, do we have in the stream Jason Davy, GSAT, Ahmed? Do we have Mohammed Akai Syed? Do we have Ranveer Lavosia, John McGilvray, Bill Oberkirsch, Tokarsh Charles, and Michelle? If any of you are in today, I have got your reviews done. All right, so are you in? Let's have a quick look. If you are any of those names, let me know. All right, now, I've had lots of requests for earnings as well and other stuff to do. Let's see where we are today. Let me just update that. How many have we got watching this morning? Very quiet this morning. I knew it'd be quiet this morning because I've called the show Happy Birthday. Regular folks aren't going to find the video today unless they're real fans of the show and friends of mine. They're not going to find it. That's why we've got a very small show today. I'm not trying to sell the video or get subscribers or anything like that. Just having a party, but that'll be after the main event this morning with Ronald Duck. We're up to 18,927. Will we get to 19,000 subscribers today? That'll be exciting, right? Okay, let's have a look at the views. What are you searching for? Happy birthday. 86 of you have come in so far, but it will be quiet today, because it's not a search term, right? But that's fine. It's not about that today. Okay. No, you're not an Aries. I'm a Pisces. I'm a fish. That's right. Okay. Jennifer sent some love hearts today. Jennifer, I'll give you a couple, actually. Do you like, one of my best impressions, actually, is Michael Bolton. Do you like Michael Bolton from the 80s, When a Man Loves a Woman? If you do, just because it's International Women's Day right now, if you do like that, I will sing for you right now, live in the show, as Michael Bolton. All right? Do you remember him from the 80s, When a Man Loves a Woman? The Women's Day is only in Europe, Asia, and that part of the world. Okay. Well, let's see if any of our ladies come back, and I'll do a bit of ladies' music. All right. Happy birthday, Martin. Aries twins, I'm 50 on the 22nd, and I'll be locking myself away, I think. Oh, Paul Knowles. I'm 55 today. You're younger than me. That's great. Virgin Galactic, happy birthday for then. Virgin Galactic still around, 170. Let's have a look. Yeah, 173 at the moment. No, I'm a Pisces, Paul. Every time you say Ronald Duck, I hear Donald Duck. Well, let's hope not, eh? Hedge funds are buying Fisker again. Shall we have a look at Fisker this morning? Okay, let's have a look at Fisker. FSR. Fisker. 39 cents this morning. We're now under 40 cents. Ouch. Still trending down. And it's up. It's slightly green today, but sorry to see it going down further, though. 39 cents. When is the good news going to start? When is the squeeze going to start? I subscribed today. Sundown Sam. Thank you very much indeed. Welcome to you. We're trying to see. This is our growth. Sundown. We are doing 1,000 subscribers a week. We've only been going a couple of years. We're coming up to our 3rd anniversary soon. And we are live 10 hours a day. Aim to be the most honest channel on YouTube TV. People make money here. We support each other. And thought your BBAI video, is that through your BBA? Oh, okay. Thank you very much indeed. And we're doubling our rate of growth every month. We're expecting to be at 10 million subscribers within 7 years, which will make us the biggest financial channel on planet Earth. Our growth rate is like that, and you'll see that everyone has a badge. 98% of our viewers the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube, more than Mr. Beast, who's the biggest in the world. We have 98% of our live viewers are members. You can see everyone's got a badge. And people love the show, the family. It's honest, it's real, it's live all day, every day. We have concerts, parties. We make money together. The information is always factual. No one promotes. No one can promote me to say anything. I just tell the truth. And I love what BBAI stand for. But my review last night didn't say it was a rubbish company. It just said it's got too much debt. I explained it all. I'm sure you watched the video, like you said. But I hate to see stocks go down and people lose money, but you wouldn't have lost money if you'd watched the review yesterday. Anyway, I wish everyone the best. Let's have a look. Ascent Solar looks like it's a reverse split before when you talk. Now then, Ascent Solar. Ascent Solar is on the show on Sunday. Sunday, that would be clever. On Tuesday, I am talking with Paul Worley, the CEO, on Tuesday. Look at all these Meet the CEOs, one after another now. They all want to be here. They tell me it's better than Bloomberg and CNBC. They like it. They like it, right? So anyway, if you want to ask Paul Worley a question, how do you do that? Well, you leave a comment below the video where I promoted it. So if we look here, I just put a video out. And there it is. There is the video. Ascent Solar, big day. ASTI. Okay? If you want me to ask your question to Paul Worley, CEO of Ascent Solar. I love this, by the way. I'm going to get some solar clothes made. I think it's brilliant. Let me give you the link. Go and leave a comment and I will ask the question. Members only, of course. It's only members only. I only see members' comments. I only reply to members' comments. I see everyone's comments and I read nearly all the comments. But I can only reply to the members. There's just not enough hours in the day. There is the video for ASTI. So please go and do that, Wadey. Looks when you talk to CEO, it'd be good to know his thoughts on that. So, Wadey, if that's the question that you want, that's what you got to put below the video, the comment, and I will ask him your question. You're a member of my channel, and I will ask him that question. If you want to become a member and talk to the CEOs directly, there is the link. Okay. I'm up 35% with Bonk. Let's look. I love all this stuff. Let's look at the crypto bubbles this morning. Let's see what we've got. Yep, Bonk's up 20%. Pepe's 30. Flocky, Floki. Looks like a bit like a Shiba Inu with a Viking crown on his head. 73% today. Shiba 17%. All over the place. All these altcoins, meme coins, and all the rest of it. Yeah, we got new all-time highs. Let's have a quick look at our Bitcoin this morning. Yep, 67,000. Happy birthday, Liliana Garcia. Thank you very much indeed. The party will start after we do our interview with Ronald Dutt. That's when I start getting the whiskey out and larking about. Basically, I'm going to lark about on my show. It's my show. Do what I like. Avila Spectrum, thank you very much indeed. Happy birthday. Thank you. Martin, where do you see Fisker's price going if the Nissan deal goes through? Well, it's obviously a good sign if that goes through. We expect that to go through. When that goes through, at that point, I want to get the numbers, review it, reanalyze the stock, and have a look at it. There's no point just guessing. I don't know, but I will find out. That's the best answer I can give you right now. Avila Spectrum. Hey, fellas, quick investor question. How do you guys typically think when you see a high spread number, say 40 cents? Do you expect volatility? I don't think you can always know. We get an earnings beat, stock goes down. We get an earnings miss, stock goes up. There's so many more things to behind the movement of the stock. So I'd like to see what the other members say to that, but I'm going to let them answer that. Jason Davis. Great. Jason Davis. I'm glad you're here. So where am I looking now? Jason Davis. Yes, I did get a request from you to cover the earnings on March 12th for HRTX. I'm just trying to see if I can do that. Thank you for your $20 super chat. I do have fun at the same time. So I'm seeing if I can do it. Maybe I can get Sensei on the extra channel to cover it. So we do need to look at that. Sensei, of course, is on Sunday. And maybe Sensei can do funware, and I can do on the main show here the earnings for you. So thank you for the request. I'm doing my best to see if I can cover both earnings. All right. Now, Jason Davis, as you are here, and I know you've already done this, but I just got to go through the procedure so I don't forget. I put out your HRTX review just so I can take you off the list, if you like. There is HRTX, and for all of those of you who want to promote your reviews, you can do what's called a super thanks, which is what Jason Davis did. He put a super thanks of $10 as a comment under the video, and what it does, it promotes the video. YouTube get a bit of commission from that, so they suggest the video. Obviously, they make money from it. That's how it works. So thank you for the super thanks. I appreciate it. I've pinned your comments to the top so you can share links for your business, your interests, or whatever it is you want to do. So thank you very much for doing that, and your review is out. So I knew you'd already seen it, but I now can take it officially off the list because I've spoken to you. Do we have Ahmed, Mohammed, Akai, Saad, Ranvir Lavosia, John McGilvray, Bill Oberkirsch, Tokash Charles, and Michelle? Are any of you in today? I want to give you your reviews as well. Okay, now then, let me look. My portfolio is going up again today. Starting with $5,000, we're now at 72,218. No options, no shorting stocks, and no margin at the moment. Actually, technically speaking, I do have margin on at the moment. Look, I'll share this with you. I am using some margin at the moment. Inside my $1,000 though, so it's not costing me anything. Look, buying power. So I used some margin. Look, 887. Why did I do this? Well, because I need to be in the S&P in the next couple of days to get the ex-dividend date for the maximum amount of dividend payments, which is paid in a week or so's time. So I wanted to get more of the S&P. So a couple of days ago, when it was midnight, or the midnight hours, about 2 in the morning, the S&P dropped. It was when the Apple news came out. I bought another 3 shares. I used the cash I had, which would have only made me, only had about $400 left in cash, would have only made me about 30 cents in uninvested cash interest between now and the day I get paid on YouTube, which is the 21st of March. So I thought, well, I'm only going to earn 30 cents and I'm going to miss out on the $1.80 per share dividend. So I'm going to use that cash. I'm also going to use up to the $1,000 of margin, which is free with Robinhood Gold, basically. I don't pay interest on it. So I wasn't going to make any money on uninvested cash, and I was able to buy a dip, and it was the right thing to do because the stock has gone up since then. And now I'm also going to be in with the maximum amount of shares for the ex-dividend date. So that's a reason to use margin in situations like this. So I've done it. Now I could have just gone and bought $100,000 worth of the S&P, but I would be paying currently 5.25% and then not getting uninvested cash. I'd be losing the uninvested cash of 5.25, which is what I would have earned. I think it's 8.5 is the interest rate on margin. I think it is. Anyway, which I don't think that the S&P can do this year because we've already had it. We've already had a great rally this year. I think it's going to continue being bullish. I think the interest rates are going to come down, but all that's priced in. So I don't want to spend margin at 8% to basically make another 5% this year. There's no point. But I have used up to the $1,000, so it's free. So yes, I have got margin on, and that's why my portfolio is up so much, because I've got even more shares. And in a couple of days' time, I'll have another nearly $300 in dividend payments, so it'll be up to 72.5, and that'll be in uninvested cash. It won't be auto invested. That's very lazy. I'll wait for another dip, not just buy it, because it's going to rally now because everyone's getting in for the next dividend dates. Anyway, so let's move on. As a rule, the larger spread, the less the volatility, says Paul Knowles. Really interesting, Randy B. VLD, Vincent Vosberg. That's what he's looking at today. I was looking at BBAI in the $2 range, bought it at $3.69, and even yesterday prior to the earnings. It's a good company. Well, what's a good company? Is a good company a well-run, managed company? Good management? Is that a good company? Is it a good company if it makes money so it can pay its CEO like Lucid pays $500 million to Peter Rawlinson, even though they lose money? Is that a good company? Well, it's a good company for him. Or is it a good company if it returns a profit to its shareholders? That's our focus. That's what we're talking about here. That's our aim. So anyway, I'm up 134%. Great. Congratulations, Ronald Dutt today. Buy FSR. Buy FSR says sentenced 66. Welcome to you. Consider becoming a member, part of the Lucas Aid Army, and get 20 times back what you put in. That's why 98% of our viewers are members. The highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube TV. By miles. Go and have a look. Right. Good morning to everyone and happy birthday. Adnan Manar. Good morning, Adnan Manar. How are you this morning? Lovely to have you here. Is Ahmed here? Mohammed Akai Sayad for your reviews. Ranveer, John McGilvery, Rob Billerkirsch, Tokash Charles and Michelle. Are any of you here this morning? I want to give you your reviews. Good morning to everyone and happy birthday, Martin. Thank you so much indeed. The birthday party starts after I've interviewed Ronald Dutt. What did he say? Kevin Schools, VLD, Fisker will be high. Well, we shall see. We shall see. I sold half yesterday, says a man from Earth. Did you see AMYLYX drop? No, I've not looked at that, Adnan. Happy birthday. Oh, the Church of Logic. One of my dear friends, the Church of Logic. Church of Logic, you have a 1-year badge. When you're back, I can't believe this. Church of Logic is one of our dear friends. The phone line is open. If you want to call in, you can. Churchy. Churchy's one of our original members. He must be days away from his 2-year badge. And when he gets his 2-year badge, he will be able to enroll for free as an invitation only, into the VIP Founders Club. Very exclusive benefits, in-person meetups, really great things happen when you get the 2-year badge. So Church of Logic, thank you so much indeed. You must be 1 plus something right now. Anyway, thank you. There are only 3 people in the Founders 2-year badge club at the moment. So hopefully you will be soon. All right. Lovely to have you here. Can't believe the years has passed already. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? The birthday party starts after my interview. I've got 2 Meet the CEO meetings coming up. Look at this. Meet the CEO on today's show at 10 o'clock. We've also got another one on Tuesday. I've got about 5 or 6 that I'm currently talking to. And that's because of you. The way you're doing it now, sending the invitation out to everybody. It's working, and we've got CEOs contacting me left, right, and center. It's Very, very exciting. But Churchy, look at this. Look at where we are today. Look at this, Churchy. 18,928. We're on target for 100,000 within a year, maybe less than a year. And we're looking at 10 million subscribers in 7 years. Our rate of growth which will make us the biggest financial channel in the world. We are doubling our rate of growth every month. It's absolutely amazing. I'm so proud of the members and everything everyone does here. It's absolutely great. Yeah. Happy birthday, Church of Logic. Thank you. We'll be celebrating the birthday after Ronald Dutt is on the show, of course. Sounds great, Jason Davis. Everyone buy VLD. Happy birthday, mate. Cham. Here is a good stock, KRNF. Now, Sundown, if you become a member, not only can I review the stock for you, not only can I do the earnings for you, you can also share links into the show, and I can put them on the show and promote the stock in a honest way, good or bad, and we can rank number one for most stocks that we cover now, so more people can learn about it. So if it's a good review, you can make money from it. You can also call into the show, so consider being a member. It's only a couple of bucks. It's there to help people, not to make me rich. It's not about me. Go DB, morning all. Happy birthday, Martin. Thank you. The party starts soon. I am joining. Good morning from Facebook. Batari Kamala. Good morning. JLit official channel. How are you, JLit? You are a YouTuber. You know you should be a member of the channel. I can get everyone to subscribe to you, put you on the homepage, and you can promote your channel. Anyway, happy birthday. Thank you so much indeed. Can't believe the years passed already. I know. Good day, Mike. Mikey, Churchy. Good morning. Happy birthday to the best friend and world best piano man. How amazing is that? Antonio Dela Cruz. Now, I have got a very special message to read out. Let me see if you are here. I've not replied to you when you sent me this message for the reason, if I did, I wouldn't see the comment again, just the way I search for things, all right? But I have received a very special comment from a member, of course, and it is quite an amazing message. This is why I do the show. Is Sea Lover here? Is Sea Lover in the show? I'm not going to read this out until Sea Lover is here. Sea Lover. I don't see him at the moment, but I'm going to keep that ready to show you. I think it will do it when the party starts after our interview. We'll do it then. I'm not saying it because your review, and I'm not saying it isn't. But Heron Therapeutics is up about 7% since your review. Well, let's have a look. It was Heron, wasn't it? Essentially, the review was bullish. Yes, it was. So yes, it has gone up since I spoke about it. Now, but what's important is, do I rank for it on YouTube? That's what it's about. Do I rank for it? Incognito, so it doesn't know it's me searching for it. So let's do it. HRTX. Now, bearing in mind, I've only made one video, so it normally takes a couple of videos to start ranking, unless it's really popular, of course. Stock. Let's see if it ranks. Because if it ranks and people see it and find it, then yes, it will start to do well. Let's have a look. HRTX. No, I don't rank for that one yet. I've only made one video. So no, I'm not the top channel for it. I think probably if I did one more review, then perhaps that would happen, because we do rank for most of them now. Upload date. So I can show you on the screen. This is the video. If you type in HRTX stock, there it is. But this is me searching for it now in time. So I've manipulated it just to show you. It wasn't showing up. We need to do another one. and to cover the earnings. But no, we are not on the list just yet. So it's great that it's gone up, and a lot of people are interested in the stock, but we've not ranked for it just yet. It will take a little bit more. Market is so strong, scared about the elections later on. Put a rainy day stock portfolio on the side. Good idea. Rallo1, happy birthday. Do you own birthday do your own birthday song this morning? Hey.
Happy birthday. Do you own birthday song this morn?
Thank you. I will, once we've got the review out the way. Thank you. Another one. Thank you. Look at the super chat coming in. I will later on, after the interview, I will be doing birthday songs, birthday parties, getting drunk, falling off the chair. If you want to buy me a drink, every time we do a super chat, I'll have a shot of whiskey. We have a lot of fun. My cheeks turn red. We just don't care. We have a laugh. That's coming up shortly on the show. But I obviously have to do our interview first. Otherwise, the guy's going to think, what's going on?
Happy birthday by VLD.
By VLD. VLD. Let me have a quick look at it for you this morning. VLD. Velo 3D. 873. Well, you've given me a super chat, so let me just quickly look at it very, very quickly. This is this is a mini review. Okay, here we go. It's undervalued by 72%. Is it inaccurate? No, it's not. There's no DCF valuation. I'm not going to show you any of that, otherwise it'll be a whole review. Insiders are selling it. What's the short interest on it? Do we have a lot of 13% short interest? Quick profitability score. Profitability score, no. 39% not going bust, though. That's all you're going to get. Otherwise, we'll end up doing a full review. All right, there you go. You'll be drunk by 1 p.m. messing with me. I will. And I'm very happy about that. I absolutely am very happy about that, Churchy. Can't wait. Good morning, Carlos Martinez. Good morning to you. I hope Sea Lover is in today, because I got a wonderful message from Sea Lover, and I will be sharing it later in the show. All right. Okay. 10 minutes before the bell goes. So you've got time still to leave your message for Ronald Dutt today. He's live on the show. We've got what we're going to do is send everybody from here to the extra channel at the end of this show and get ready then for Ronald Dutt. If you want to join us, I'll give you the links for everything. Everything will just go automatically from wherever you are. I will send you to the next event. But what you want to do, what you need to do, you've got an opportunity today to talk to the CEO of Flux Power directly through our show. You can call in as well. You can be live on the show. This is the video. Meet the CEO, Ronald Dutt. If you want to leave a question to Ronald Dutt, we're talking Flux Power, lithium batteries, the batteries that power those carts around the airport, all of that stuff. All right, I'll give you the link. Here's the link. Go and watch it. It's only a minute long, or minute 56 long, look. And then go and leave a comment. I will be reading those comments out for Ronald Dutt. There it is. I'll give it you 3 times, so you can't miss it. All right? You don't want to miss this. And the other video as well for our other CEO invitation is out. That's ASTI, A-S-T-I. Check that one out, and you can ask questions from Ascent Solar. They're putting flexible solar panels in space. Very cool is that, isn't it? Happy birthday, Martin, for tomorrow. Yes, March the 9th is my birthday. So it's my birthday at midnight tonight. So because it's a Saturday, I'm celebrating today. Leah's given me my presents tomorrow. They're all in a big box on top of the fireplace. But we're celebrating here today up to midnight tonight. So we've got, after the interview, we'll start. And then, of course, all day drinking. And then we've got the music concert tonight, where it'll just get completely stupid. And I just won't care. Happy birthday, Martin, for tomorrow. Andrew Phillips, thank you. Good morning, everyone. Happy birthday, Mr. Lucas. Crag. Now, Crag, you want fun. I know you want fun on the earnings. We've got another request, a $20 super chat to cover another earnings at the same time. So guess what I'm doing? I'm messaging Sensei and seeing if Sensei can do the show on March the 12th, if he can do March the 12th. In fact, as I'm thinking about it, I will text him right now and I might get an answer sooner than later. Let me do it right now. So here we go. Sensei. Whoops-a-daisy. Sensei. Can you do an earnings March 12, and it is after hours, so I think he can, just if he wants to, innit? He might go, well, I don't want to, do I? Can you do an earnings March the 12th after hours? I'm going to see if Sensei responds to that. And if he says, yeah, we're going to cover funwear. And we're also going to cover Heron. Which one goes on which channel? There's the question. You don't know, do you? We'll have a vote, perhaps. We'll have a vote. Virgin Galactic is slightly up to date. Happy birthday, Martin. Moy Guzman. Thank you very much. And the party starts later for tomorrow, but we're partying today after our interview. Okay. All right. I actually thought today would be really, really quiet in the show because it's not the name of a stock or anything today or investing. It just says happy birthday. So I'm really chuffed. We got people watching. I didn't think we'd get many people in today, but I knew we'd get the members in, which is all I want, really. All my mates, 18,928 is where we are right now. And we've got 5 minutes to go for the bell. Then we got the stock race, because it is a race. Have you subscribed and rung the bell? Has everyone liked the video yet? Tap the like button. Right. We've got a message here from Crag. What does Crag say? Thank you, Martin. If he can't do it, it's fine. Fun ain't such a fun company for its investors right now. Well, hopefully we will. Hopefully we'll be able to do both at the same time. And that way we provide the best service for our members, which is what it's all about. Right, we got 5 minutes to go. What's going to happen today? Keeping my eye on the phone. I want to see if Sensei responds to me. Is Sea Lover in the chat so far? It was like a mix of show and chat. Shat. Careful, that's not a good word, is it? Right, okay. Virgin Galactic, Palantir, S&P, Amazon, Apple. I've got one share of Apple. No, I haven't got one share of Apple. I beg your pardon. I got a $5 worth of Apple a few days ago. I won one. Somebody very, very kind. Clicked my invitation, so I ended up with a free stock. Well, $5, and you did as well. Don't know who it was, but anyway, thank you very much. Happy birthday, happy day of birth. Make it a great day. Jurit Sabri, it will be. The party starts later. I'll be 69 this year. Sundown Sam. One of the benefits, one of the many perks of being a member is we celebrate your birthday on the show. You get a birthday party. We do birthday songs. Yeah. See, you're thinking, I should be a member of this channel. I don't know why I'm not. I'm the only one. Why am I not a member? I don't know why you're not a member. Right, there you go. Now then, if we've got anybody today that needs upgrading on Discord, remember, if you are a YouTube member, this is the link for Discord. This is where you can talk to all the investors and traders and stuff going on, share links, call into the show. There's loads of things you can do. Very, very useful. A lot of people make money there with Ed Nevius' scalp trades every day. Fast trades, quick trades. Ed Nevius doing a great job in the Ed Nevius' tips. So, it's free to all members. Okay, and then once you've got on Discord, what you do is you send me a friend request. Now make sure you send a friend request to the correct spelling of my name, otherwise you'll be friending a scammer. There's loads of them waiting for you to misspell it. Once you've done that, then please put your username, your Discord username here in the chat on YouTube, so I know it's you and you're a member. Then I can upgrade you, and you'll see all the great stuff. Right, we're coming up to the bell. And here's some more great scalp trade tips this morning from Ed Nevius on Discord. Look at this. He's setting up some AMLX, setting up some movements this morning. A lot of money is made here in the Discord group. Got a very, very active group. It's our most popular channel on the server. No doubt about it. Can't watch the stream. I'm on a train, but happy birthday, mate. Niels, be safe on the train. Here we go. Are you ready? Niels, thank you for calling in, though. I do appreciate it very much indeed. Right, here we go. It's time to ring the bell. It's time for the stock race. What is up? What is down? Are we making money? Are we losing money? Let's find out. We're about to find out. Happy birthday, Zach. He's over there. Rick Steventon won't be chatting there as I'll be working and listening in the background. Rick Steventon, did you get your video yesterday I put out for you? I'm sure I've already told you about it, haven't I? 15 seconds to go. Yeah, Rick Steventon, I did that. Okay, here we go then. Time to ring the bell and see what's up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
The year is 1991.
You can sponsor the bell for a $20 super chat. You can put your name on the bell and below in the description. All right, let's go. What is up? What is down? The bell has gone. I sent a message to the CEO, BABYF, to contact you. Is there a particular address link I was supposed to give them? I just told them to contact you at Martyn Lucas Investor. Lisa Wang, I will come back to you in a minute and answer your question. Happy birthday to the Phoenix, Martin. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, John Grandforce. Happy birthday, Philippa Smith. Happy birthday, Martin. Love from us. Polo Rising. I will come back to your question, Lisa Wang, in a minute. Here we go. Virgin Galactic is up 2.62. Rising now. Some good volume coming into Virgin Galactic. Palantir up, but just trimming back a little bit. Gold on the way up. The S&P is up today, 0.14. Amazon down at the moment. Apple going down. As soon as I get my $5 back, I will sell my Apple share. My Apple $5. Next Era Energy is up today, 0.9. Enphase Energy is now $133. It's doubled since we bought it at $70. Did you all buy it at $70? It's now doubled your money, up 2% today. Coca-Cola going down today, 0.42. J&J is up 0.07. Kenvue is up 0.35. Chevron's going back down. Tesla 181 can still go all the way down. Ramen, Virgin Galactic, up 3.2. Great. Rivian is on up, going up but pulling back. McDonald's is down today. Google is down very slightly today. Sorry, up, I beg your pardon. Microsoft is going down today. Walmart on the way down. Tilray, rubbish. But today it's up 3.66. Robinhood, it's a 4 to 6x, 3% today, looking very nice indeed. IonQ is up, just very expensive. Rocket Lab up 1.37. Space is going up today. IonQ now 5.5%. Plug Power up 5.5%. $164.10 again. Rumble looking good today, 2.2. Funware is down at the moment, but moving up. FFIE, 14 cents. Is it going bust? Well, more than likely. Rio Tinto is down today. Bitcoin is $68,000. $68,000. We're in all-time highs. We're going to 100 grand, million grand, bazillion grand. I don't know. What do you think? Polygon is down 0.71. XRP. What about our crypto bubbles today? Looking very, very green on the crypto bubbles. Everything's great today. You are making money most on Flocky, 69%, and Pepe the Frog at 31%. Yep, even this stuff makes it onto our channel. What can I say? Welcome, everybody. It's a good morning here on The Big Show. Steve Wright, Radio 2, here live on the BBC. There you go. There's a little shout out to my mate Steve. All right, there you go. He's everybody's mate over there in England. That is the rundown today. That's what's up. That's what's down. That's what's going on the markets today on March the 8th. My birthday at midnight tonight. So we're celebrating today. There you go. Welcome, welcome everybody to the show. Lovely stuff. Fabian says, Martin, could you advise on Tesla? Keep or sell right now? Fabian, Tesla, keep or sell right now? Well, this is being asked from the Extras channel. We've got the Extra channel. This runs 12 hours a day, soon to be 24, soon to be 360 over this weekend. I'm going to share with you, Fabian, this little thing here. This is probably what you should look at. If you go to YouTube like this, and if you scroll up like this into the search bar at the top, you do this and you type in Martyn Lucas, because you asked me, right? You didn't ask Elon Musk. And then the ticker symbol, TSLA, you get this. What do you get? What do you get? You get a Tesla chart. So that's done by Sensei. So there's the technicals you might want to look at. So let me give you that. Here it comes for you. This Fabian, this is for you. There you go. There is the Tesla chart. But also, I did the fundamentals as well. And let me scroll down. Tesla analysis. There it is. Just recently done it. Of what I think of Tesla. And that can answer your question in more detail than just one-word answers. All right. So let me give you the link for that as well. There is the full analysis, Fabian. I've done the reviews for you. Go and check them out. Good, 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 good. All right. Happy birthday to the Phoenix, Martin. Happy birthday. Now then, Lisa Weng. Is Lisa Weng still with me? Lisa Weng asked a question. Very good question, and I love this question. I sent a request to the CEO of BABYF. This is how we get all the CEOs on the show. The investors, through investor relations, they email them. They also put it on Reddit channels. Crag does this. I've seen that. Many of you have set up Reddit channels, Facebook pages, groups. You've then put my video on there. I've seen it. And then what you've done is you've invited the CEO and the company in. You've tagged them in. All that stuff. So Lisa Weng has done that. So thank you, Lisa Weng. But you're asking me the question. I sent a request to CEO of BABYF to contact you. Is there a particular address link I was supposed to give them? I just told them to contact you at Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, what we do every time we analyze a stock, below the video in the description is a link, and a link. Obviously, you've got the video, so you give them the video. Look, this is what has been said, and Martin's invited you on the show. You share that, but what you also share, if I show you like this, if you go into YouTube, into the search bar, type Martyn Lucas in at the top, and you type in invite CEO, you will find the video that is your invite through me. or my invite through you. Yeah, something like that. Meet the CEO. This is the invitation and provides them with further information. I'll give you the link for that. So you can send this as well. This is a very useful. This is like your press kit. Think of it like that. So Lisa Wang, here is your press kit. And what we do is we like to keep you involved, the investor. One, it's better coming from you because you're the investor. They're much more excited to talk to you, the investors. It's much better for me not to contact them because I'm selling myself and I don't sell myself. I don't need to, and it's much better, and they're more likely to come on the show coming from you than me saying, come on my show, I'm great, all that stuff. I don't like to do that. I don't think it's necessary, and the investors do a much better job anyway. Okay? So that's how that works. And as far as how do they contact me, they do it through you. So they're messaging you backwards and forwards, and because we want to keep you in the loop. It's your stock, and I want to be able to thank you when it all comes off that you did it and all the rest of it. So we keep you involved in the whole thing. When they reply back to you and say, hey, yes, we want to be on the show, we love it, and all the rest of it, that's when then you can give them my email. If you could give it straight away, of course, but that's when you give them my email, and they can come on the show and all the rest of it. And now my email is martyn@martynlucas.com. It's below all the videos, martyn@martynlucas.com. It's on the website, or they can call in the show, they can be in the show, whatever. But there's my email. So eventually they'll message me. But we want to keep you involved in the loop as long as possible, because it's all about, it's all about you, really. Anyway, let me just make a little adjustment here in a second. Does that answer all your questions? Did I cover everything there? I hope I did. That's better. I'm just making a couple of tweaks. Just a second, bear with me. Okay. You can't see what I'm doing, but what I'm doing is very important. There you go. Right. So hopefully that explains everything. There's the video. I've given you that and all the rest of it. All right. Now then, stocks are going up again. Looking good. My portfolio started with just $5,000. We're up to $72,155. Looking nice. Let's see if we've got any more questions. Virgin Galactic. Let's look at that for Ramen. Yes. $1.80 today. I like it. Virgin Galactic. Yes. KRKNF, 80 cents. Thank you, Sundown. Martyn, did you see the email I sent about Lockheed looking to acquire? Yes, John Grandforce, I did. Thank you. I will reply to the emails over the weekend. Thank you very much for that email. Happy birthday, 24 for President. Thank you so much indeed. We're going to be having the party after I've interviewed Ronald Dutt on the show. I don't want to get drunk too early. All right, John, I've been posting about LALP all week. It's at least 4 or 5x. David warns. You should book in a review and we should do that. Did Walmart do a stock split? Walmart, they must have done. Yes, they must have done, because, yes, the stock wasn't 59. Hang on a minute. Can someone remind me what Walmart was? I don't know. Honestly, Yes. Yes. Yes, they have. Is Walmart stock a buy after a stock split? Yes, they did. Let me have a look at the information for the last 20 years. Executed right. Walmart executed a stock split with shares trading on a split of as of February the 26th. I missed that. The company's decision to do a 3-for-1 split. Yes, 3-for-1 split on February the 26th. That's answering Churchy's question. I have missed so much. Yeah, where are you all the time? David Warnes, thanks, brother. I've been tied up. You've great. I knew Salesforce would make a comeback. However, John, there has been no nibbles. Virgin Galactic 181. Richard Garcia, happy birthday. Enjoy your 21st today. Yeah, go space. Back to Virgin Galactic. Oh, look at 523. David Warnes, good to know. Thank you. Are you making money? How is PayPal down so bad in a year and they're making money? Well, there's a good question, mate. Happy birthday, Martin. Is Mike and Craig going to sing for you today? They better. Live phone in after Ronald Dutt, after our interview. Absolutely right. Now then, let me see. Do I have a message back from Sensei? Not yet. I don't have a message back from Sensei. I'm watching it closely. Martin, can you comment on OCEA? Was 50 cents just over a week ago, up now $6. I'd need to review it, Noy. I'm sorry, I don't have any information to hand at the moment. I have to focus, I'm sorry, on the members this morning. A lot of members' questions. Payday next week. Russell 2000 small caps, new 52-week high. Very nice. Happy birthday, Martin. The Queen of Self-Braiding is here. The Queen of Self-Braiding. The Queen, I'm glad you're here. Very, very important. We now have, the badges have changed. Can you see? We have new badges which are green stars. We have a 1 month with a small 1, a small M, a small 2, and a small M. For 2 months, 3 months, small M. You get the idea, 6 months. Then we have a big 1. Can anybody who's got a 1-year badge, please just comment so Queen can see it. But the reason why I'm telling you this is if you've renewed before you lose your history, you should have a 2-year badge, because when you're a 2-year badge, you have a lot of VIP benefits. It's to honor and remember our founder members and those that were in at the beginning. 2-year badge gets you into the Founders Club, the VIP club. And in there, we have very, very exclusive, very, very nice, very, very exclusive perks for the 2-year founder members. So far, we have 3. We have me, obviously. We have Mike and we have Bill. There's Mike. Look, Brick Mark's got 1. He's about to turn 2, I believe. So once you become 2, you can access our VIP club, and there'll be in-person meets. There'll be special things, one-on-one deals, all kinds of things for the VIP members once you have a 2-year badge. All right. I'll tell you all about it when I see your if you ever get the 2-year badge. All right. Okay, yes, Brickmart, as soon as the whiskey gets bought out later. Yeah, can't wait. Craig's going to call in. They did. Yes, Vincent Vosberg, good afternoon. Walmart split 2 weeks ago. Mark Saxby, yes, thank you. Thinit went up $5 and I sold it. Used to be over $100. Virgin Galactic, come on, get to the 2. 182, looking good. It should be $4 a share. Let's hope it'll go there. Hi, Craig. Wow, Space, 6.5%. They are going to spend. Micron is the long-term buy. MU, Vincent Vosberg, HRXT. Yes, 3.47. We just reviewed this one. This is Heron Therapeutics. Yep, look at that. Since we reviewed it, it's been going up consistently. We're not ranking number 1 for it, but the video's doing all right. Okay, Wrap looks like a reverse after the earnings clarification. Rob Terrell, March 28th. We're going to cover the earnings live. You don't want to miss that, obviously. That's coming up soon. Let's go space. Celebrity on the next flight. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to finally see happen. Of course we do. Mike, good morning. Hello, Brickmark. Hello, Crag. Amtis AMTX is up 11%. Wow, Virgin Galactic 7.5%. Now back at 6.3. Happy birthday, Bell BG. Now then, do we have Sea Lover in the chat today? Sea Lover. I need to see Sea Lover. I've got an announcement. Also, do we have Ahmed Mohammed Akai Syed as well? I've done your reviews. Ranveer Lavosia, John McGilvray, Bill Oberkirsch, Tokash Charles, or Michelle. Are any of you in the show today? I've got your reviews. Adnan Minar, AMLX down 85%. It's a buy opportunity. Adnan, 85% down. Virgin Galactic is doing well. Look at my portfolio. Ooh, 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 ooh. Lovely, 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 lovely. $72,302 from $5,000. I'm loving it. Loving it. Am I selling it? Nope, not selling anything at all. Not selling a single anything. Fisker looks like it wants to take off. Noi, back to Fisker. FSR, one of our big stocks that we cover on the show. Fisker. Oh, Fisker as a breakout, 4%. Let's go, Fisker. Congratulations, we love it. That's nice. Some stock movement here today. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Fisker, DDD, Bonk all up. Let's have a look at Bonk. Flocky is the one that you should be looking at, though. That's up 69.9%. You might want to take profits there. Bonk is up 18%. Pepe is up 35%. Looking very nice indeed. Now then, let's go over to the announcement this morning. Unemployment rate. The unemployment rate has gone up. That's what we wanted. Horrible to say we want people unemployed, but this is what we want today. Sorry, hang on. Beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. That's not accurate. I was looking at the No, hang on. No, I was right. I'm looking at the unemployment rate. Yes, here it is. This is what I want to say. This is good news. Good news for you, the investor. Bad news for the employer. The employee. Good news for the employer. And good news for the investor. Bad news for the employee. This is what's happened today. This is why the market's doing so well. The unemployment rate in the United States rose by 0.2 percent points to 3.9 in February 24, touching the highest level since January 22 and surpassing market expectations of 3.7. What does that mean? That means the markets the markets are cooling, inflation is coming down, employers can pay less to attract an employee because there's more people unemployed. More sign the rates are going to come down. The number of unemployed people increased by 334,000 to 6.5 million. The labour force participation was 62.5 for the third consecutive month, and the unemployment rate population ratio was little changed at 60. So there you go. That could be partly why the stocks are up today. The markets are up today because unemployment rate has gone up slightly. That means employers can pay less to attract employees. That's all about bringing interest rates down, the market's cooling, and all the rest of it. Right, Fisker is going up at the moment. Very, very nice indeed. Let me come back to some other news. We are still in greed. We're in and out of extreme greed. So we're massively in a bull market. We have been now for a year and a half. I called it 6 months before the banks called it. We were in a bull market, but typically it takes 6 months to recognize it, and banks always do it after 6 months because they don't ever take any chances like stuff like that. But I was right. We have been in a bull market now for at least a year and a half, and it's set to continue. It's the new industrial revolution with AI, but be careful if you're buying Nvidia. I own Nvidia because I own the S&P, but the S&P is a far safer way of owning it. You coming in now, you're buying a stock massively overbought. It's great. It's the future. Yes, it's going to keep going up. We know that. However, nothing goes up forever. It's massively overbought right now. Okay, so here we go. Extreme greed. That's where we are right now. Let's have a look. Let me come back to the comments I may have missed. Wow, Virgin Galactic, yeah, Fisker. It's all about the interest rates coming down, more people unemployed, that's what's happening. But it's all priced in. We're overbuying everything now. We're overbuying everything, so be careful. Happy birthday, Martyn. The party starts soon after our interview with our CEO, Fisker, 4%, Ocugen, AST, Space, Standard Bio, all moving. AMLX down 85%. It's a buy opportunity. Fisker, all up. Fisker looks like it wants to take off. Hood is up. Hood is up. Yes, Hood. Obviously, Hood is up because it's a brokerage, and obviously everyone's loving the stock market right now. More people are going to buy. They earn money from crypto. More people are going to use margin now. I mean, they're going to make money left, right, and center. You know what's going to happen next. It's a 4 to 6x. Just wait until next week. Then real money, XRP2. Well, I think I've got real money. My portfolio is worth $72,000 from $5,000. I think we've done real money already. I need 2 stock recommendations that are down right now. Nothing that is good right now, please. Want bad stocks. Any ideas for Churchy? Rob Terrell, jobs data is helping to blast out remaining bears as the trend intensifies. Rates continue to melt as well, and BTC looks to set to burn naysayers for another round of all-time highs. How high is it going to go? I think you reviewed OSHA a year ago. It used to be $20 a stock. Apparently got some news from Human Studies at the end of the month. Might be good news why it's climbing recently. Noi, if you become a member of my channel, I will review it again and cover the earnings. It's what we do for our members. People determine wages. If everyone refuses the jobs, increase the rates. Yeah, but it's not going to happen, is it? So when we try to get everybody to stop buying petrol, or as you say in America, gas, at the expensive garages that were down the road and convenient to themselves, no one did it. Everyone kept doing it. It's like, everyone stopped fighting. Everyone stopped killing each other. No one does. It just carries on. Everyone stopped having a war. It still carries on. Human beings. Do you know why? Do you know why aliens will never land on Earth? Because if aliens are smarter than us, they'd look down here and go, all right, so the 2 best people in the planet, remember, the United States president is the most powerful man on the planet. Okay, and the 2 best human beings on the planet, the best people to run the world, basically, is Joe Biden or Donald Trump. They are the 2 best people in the world. There's no doubt about it. These are the 2 best people in the world, because this is what we have picked to represent the free world. Okay, these are the best people. This is why aliens will not land on Earth. They'll go, no point. This is ridiculous. Anyway, there you go. The 2 best people on the planet to represent the most powerful position in the world. Yes, says Lisa Wang. The business just raise prices. They always win. That's right. That's why we invest in the businesses. Own the business. Own the casino. Don't play the casino. I don't play the casino. I own the casino. Invest in yourself, make money, and then own the businesses that make the money. Don't be the poor mindset. The poor mindset is spend your money in the businesses that I own and invest what's left. Don't do that. Do what the rich sentiment is. The rich sentiment is invest everything, spend what's left. It's very simple. You always see people unemployed with Nike trainers on. Always. You always see people unemployed down the pub drinking, smoking. You always see it. Be an investor. Own the businesses where everyone spends their money. That's it. It's a very simple strategy. It always works. If you took all the money away from everybody and started all over again, the business type of people would end up with all the money, and the poor people would end up with no money again. It would continually happen over and over again. If we gave everybody $1 million today, the business people, the investors, would turn their millions into 10 million. The people who've never had any money would get the 10 million and spend it all down at the shops that the businesses own. They wouldn't invest on it. So own the casino, don't play the casino. It's really simple, really. Anyway, happy birthday. Any more thoughts on VLCN and the government contracts? Oh, my birthday tea has arrived. Thank you, Leah. Coffee, is it? Thank you very much. Birthday coffee. Where's James 007? He says, drink your tea, coffee at the back of the studio, away from the computer. That's why I got lights, shadows, look, see? Right. Come into the light. Come into the light. That's better, see? Year and a half, about a year and something, not an exact date, but you know, if you've been watching the show, Churchy, you'd know. Stop searching why some stocks are up, Martin. Stop searching why some stocks are up. Stop searching. What's my job? My job is to search. That's my job, XRP. What are you on about? Thank you. Virgin Galactic, $2 today. Let's go and have a look. Look at it. Got my money back from Plug. Congratulations. The market is not like it before. Completely manipulable. What do you mean? You did the review. You did the review for another member. I just happened to see it and reached out for the investor relations. Well, thank you very much indeed. That's what happens. The Flux Power, who are on the show today, didn't come through you. No, you were all lazy. Didn't come through you. They saw the video because it was ranking on YouTube and they called me. I didn't do anything. XRP, fingers crossed. XRP, fingers crossed. I've got a lot of XRP. I've got way too much XRP. I'm XRP mad, me. XRP, let's have a look. Is it on the crypto bubbles? Let's have a look. XRP. I can always just type it in, but for some reason, I don't do that. I don't do the obvious thing. I look. Oh, there's XRP. It's up 0.7. Look, there it is. There's XRP. Look, it's up 0.7. Not much. I've got a lot of XRP. Too much. I'm also in the BABYF stock. Well, that's a good reason then, because at the end of the day, you know, if you get them on the show and we rank for the stock and it's a positive stock and it's good information, then the stock will go up. It's what happens nearly every time. Deep state runs the world, not the puppets out front. Deep state. XRP. Then manipulate Virgin Galactic. Yeah, XRP apparently can manipulate all the stocks. So, yes. Yeah, do that. Yeah, do that, Raman. XRP. Manipulate Virgin Galactic. Go on, do it. How many pints has Martin had? I haven't started yet. It's after the review. After the, not the review, the interview. Happy birthday, Martin. Martin Young, thank you. The party starts after the interview with Ronald Dupp. Raman, I need $2. Not now. April. I'm here, Martin. Time for a nice cup of tea. James 007. It's James's job. It's what James does. I can't do it until James turns up. Thank you, James. I've been waiting for that drink all morning. Sidhu took a huge hit. Sidhu, how do you do? Fisker, it went up and came straight back down again. SIDU, Sidhu space. Oh, down 7.92. Yes, Sadu has just moved. I'm up 59% on OVEA from Wednesday, but climbing each day higher. Lows, OCEA, congratulations to you. Flipping heck, we've got a hell of a run today. Look at this. Consistently making money, consistently doing well. This is my overall portfolio. 5,000 is now worth 72,300. I can't wait till it says 100. This is more money than I've ever had in my entire life now. I've got no car loan, no credit cards, no loans, no debts, no margin. I own the house, no mortgage, and 72,000. That's the richest I've ever been in my entire life right now. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I want it to go to 100,000. Now, if you've only been watching the show recently, you might have missed this, but I've got an exact, precise strategy to take my portfolio where I wanted it to go. So you can't do on this projection you can't do a year, you have to do 2 years. Hence why this is how much money I put in to my portfolio. I now put $2,100 a month in. It's what I earn from YouTube after my bills and blah, 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 right? This is what's left. And I have no bills. I just basically live in this studio, right? I don't have a car. I don't go anywhere. I don't hardly eat anything. I don't smoke. I don't drink other than today. And we will be at $100,000 this year, 144 in 2 years, because the interest rate with just being in the S&P, including inflation, reinvesting the dividends, but manually on the dips, I will be at 144,000 within 2 years, as long as I stick to that plan, and I will. But the bigger plan is, how do I retire? Here is how I retire. $1 million. Now, what I'm going to do is $2,100 for 12 years, but as the show grows and grows and grows and doubles and doubles and doubles, I can put more and more money that I earn into my position. And I'm not going to increase the balance. I'm going to bring back the years to keep adjusting it so it hits $1 million. So the idea is I will be a millionaire in 12 years' time. But as we work towards it, 11 years, 10 years, 9 years, 8 years. That's the idea. Live on the show, that's how I'm trying to become, and I will become a millionaire live on the show. Of course, in 12 years' time, everybody will be a millionaire, and everybody will go, well, $1 million isn't very much anymore. And that's probably true, but there ain't nothing I can do about that. That's just my little challenge to myself. That's how we're doing it. And every single penny I earn, everything I get goes into the S&P. I don't own any stocks, to be completely impartial, and that's how I get the interviews like I have today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Martyn. Happy birthday to you. 55 years today. We'll be doing a happy birthday song later. Rap, finally. Flying, finally. Rap. We've got Rap on the show soon again. We've had them on the show several times. The Rap earnings, March 28th, we're going to cover it, up 5.36. This was because, I tell you now why this is. We ranked #1 for Rap on Google and YouTube. Look, I'll show you. Incognito mode. RAWARP stock. We rank more than they do for the stock. And everybody was very upset that Rap was not announcing the earnings. So incognito mode on YouTube, we are #1 in the world. 18,000 subscribers. There we are, look. Nearly 19,000 now. Martyn Lucas Investor. That'll be us. That's the family, right? That's incognito for Rap. And I'm all over Rap. The earnings, we got the $10, we got this, we got that. Loads of Rap. We got the charts from Sensei. Soon as we put the earnings out, people bought back in. They didn't like the earnings had moved. They lost faith in the stock. And now they're buying back in, which is kind of good in a way, because the stocks went down and now it's gone back up again. So everyone got a chance to buy it cheaper. So it's a kind of quite cool, really. I got no problem with that. Anyway, Rap, Cypher, mining up today. Thank you, Brickmark, XRP, DDD to 10 next week. Really? XRP to $10? Are you sure about that? It's, what is it now, 67 cents? That'll be good. I'll be a millionaire if that happens. I'll be laughing because I've got a lot of XRP, too much to mention. If Space hits 190, Martin, take shots, start buying Space. Yeah, well, it is my birthday. We are going to start the drinking soon after the interview. Then maybe I will. Maybe I'll start drinking. Maybe I will spend my $100,000 today. I've got $100,000. Look, my buying power. Should I get drunk today and buy $100,000 of Virgin Galactic? That'd be good. I think I should do that. If Space hits 190, I'll do it. If the World Economic Forum got their way, we won't be able to trade by 2030. Shorts getting out of FSR for the weekend. Virgin Galactic is going up. Let's have a look. Jason Davis wants to look at wraps flying now. Oh yeah. This is a lot to do with the. This is a lot to do with. The interest rates coming down with the Fed. In unemployment going up. This is all what this is about, and everyone's overbuying the market again. That's what's happening. Anyway, Paul, do you believe all the 2030 theories? Happy birthday, Jeremy Mullins. Thanks, Jeremy. I love it, Martin. You should get a PO box or US equivalent so Lucas Age can send you gifts. How cool would that? Should I get a PO box? Should I invest in one? It's bloody expensive though. Then have a wall in the studio to display the Lucas Aid gifts on. Yeah, behind me in the 24. Well, this weekend we're set the 12-hour stream will hopefully be 24 hours. Behind the scenes, it's going 360. You'll be able to go into the studio, turn it around, up and down, around, and reach out live in the studio. If you've not yet joined the extra channel. Talking to you, Churchy, if you heard about this, there's my extra channel. There it is, live right now. Have you checked it out? This is the extra channel. Goes 12 hours a day, soon 24, and 360 I'm building this weekend. I've got all the stuff. I invested all the money I've earned this month on YouTube to buy. So my 2,100 is going to be a bit limited this month. Living day by day is hard enough, let alone think ahead like that. You have to think ahead. If you don't think ahead and you don't plan, no matter how hard it is, no matter how much or how little you can do, if you can only save $1 a week, have a plan that what $1 will be worth in 20 years. Have that plan, because then you'll work towards it. Then you can make $2. If you have no plan, you just go round and round. You have to have a plan. Right. Flora as Vado, happy birthday. Thank you. We will be celebrating shortly. Now then, this is what's going to happen, because we've got to get ready now for our star guest. It's going to be a mental day today. First of all, has everyone subscribed to the channel? Have you done it? Has everyone tapped the like button? I don't think you have. Have you? We got 75 watching, 41 likes. Yeah, you're 58 likes. Yeah, you have. You've all liked it. That's okay. That's good. That's good. Now, what we're going to do is this. Listen up. Pay attention. Martin Rogers, do I get a birthday song for my birthday tomorrow? Happy birthday to you. Yes. We will celebrate your birthday as well. Live on the show. We'll do it today. Tim Rogers, yes. This is what we're going to do. Pay attention. Pay attention. Here goes. So, we're going to end this show in a minute. I am going to give, it'll automatically go to the 24-hour stream. It'll automatically go here. If for some reason it doesn't work for you, here is the link. There is the link. 1, 2, 3. It's also pinned to the top. There is the link. We're going to go into the 24-hour stream. You'll hear me talking in the background. You'll hear me getting ready to talk to Ronald Dutt in the background. You'll hear all of that. You'll hear behind the scenes. You can see what's going on. You can continue the chat. Everyone's chatting away. Look, we got people in. Look, we got James already there. We got Fabian. Right, this is the 24-hour stream. I will then be setting up the show for the live interview with our CEO. I will give you the link for that in the 24-hour chat where you'll be. But this is the live event. Meet the CEO. It's next on the big show, on the main channel. Here on the Steve Wright Show, Radio 2. Here on the big show. Yep. All right. So you'll be there with me for Meet the CEO. If you want to ask Ronald Dutt all about lithium batteries, those little scooters that go around the airports, brilliant. Beep, 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 beep. All them? Yeah, that's it. You know what I'm talking about? If you want to ask him a question, you can be live in the show. Members can call in, ask in the comments, whatever. Also, if you want to put a question to him ahead of time, right? You go to this video, meet the CEO. It's under the videos tab, okay? And leave a comment. That's where I'll be going to look to see if you've left a comment. Okay? You like that? Very, very good indeed. Then we'll be back in the main show. After the main show is finished, then I'm going to eat some food. And I said yesterday, I'm going to send my wife out and I'm going to be a male chauvinist pig and go, wife, go out and come back with the McDonald's. We joked about it last night. She's okay with it. She's not really okay with it, but she's letting it slide today, birthday. So I'm going to say, Leah, go out and bring me back a McDonald's. She's going to bring me back a McDonald's. I'm going to eat a McDonald's. I'm going to make sure I've got plenty of greasy fat in me. Make sure I get an heart attack live on the show. Might as well. Right? I'm then going to start drinking whiskey, but I'm not going to start drinking whiskey until you're with me. Okay? We're going to then come back with this show 2 hours early for the closing bell. 2 hours early because we need plenty of time to drink. Right? We're going to be going mental. Dancing, drinking, basically not care. I'm basically going to not care about my audience. I'm basically going to be rude and abusive. I don't care. You follow my channel every day, you're members, I'm not going to care. I'm going to be very unprofessional. Take my tie off and everything, right? We're going to do that. That'll be the closing bell throughout the day. And then in the evening, it will go straight to the music concert when by that time I'll be completely drunk and we'll be singing and dancing and all the rest of it. So Tim Rogers, you'll get your birthday song in that part of the show. All right, and anybody else that has a birthday over the next 12 months, we can celebrate your birthday as well. I don't want you to feel left out. So we're getting ready now to end the stream so I can prepare for my earnings, for my interview in a minute. I'm not going to end it just yet. In a minute, right? There's no point ending it now. That's just lazy. But in a minute, all right? Okay, is that clear to everybody? All right? Okay. McDonald's Big Mac meal. I'm loving it. That's what we're going to have. We're going to have a Big Mac meal. It's going to be a big one. I'm going to ask Leah, make sure when you go to the little window, in fact, you don't go to the window, you go to that little black box with the holes in it, and you go, hello, excuse me, can you hear me? Is this mic on? Can I have a Big Mac? And he goes, is that number one? Yep, number one. But I want it special because it's my husband's birthday. This is what my wife's going to say. It's my husband's birthday, and he's very famous. He's on YouTube every day talking to 58 countries. Yeah. Oh, is he? Never heard of him. Oh, well, you will. Don't worry about that. I want a Big Mac, a big one. And you know those chips that you put in the cone, like on the picture? I want it like it is on the picture, all coming out like a big bouquet, all golden and shiny. I don't want it to be just a couple of little soggy ones on the bottom. I want it like a bouquet. That's what I expect, right? That's what she's going to ask for, and she's going to get it, right? Because she's going to tell him I'm this guy on YouTube, and they're going to take that. They're going to think that's going to be important to them, right? They're going to go, all right, okay, the guy on YouTube, Martyn Lucas. Martyn Lucas, can we do a Big Mac for Martyn Lucas? Number one, please. And he wants to make sure that the chips look like on the picture. Apparently, he's very famous on YouTube. I've never heard of him. But got to make him feel important, right? So there you go. Go to the piano and play Happy Birthday to you. Zach's 8. Not yet. In the next show, Zach Zate's already getting excited. You can see the excitement building. The excitement is building. Go to the piano and play Happy Birthday to You. I will. But don't get carried away, Zach Zate. I've got to calm down. I've got to talk to the CEO, Ronald Dutt, in a minute. So calm yourself down. Zach, I know you're excited, mate. I know you're excited. I know you're sitting there thinking, once a year we do this. Once a year it's ridiculous. Once a year we go mental. I get it. I understand where you're coming from, but you've got to calm down. If you don't calm down now, you're gonna pass out. All right. There's gonna be too much excitement for one day. So steady on, Zach Zate. Oh, Zach Zate. I knew Zach Zate would get carried away. There's always one. There's always one who gets carried away. Starts giving you super chat, stuff like that. It's very inappropriate. Right. Okay. Especially $10. I mean, it's a big super chat as well. It's not like it's $1, is it? It's $10.
Go to the piano and play Happy Birthday to You, Martyn.
I will. Just have patience. Just have patience. Just have a bit of patience. All right? Some people, you can't tell some people, can you? Happy birthday, Martyn, the K Ultimate Life. Thank you ever so much. I could just eat a Big Mac. Well, guess what? I'll be eating one soon. I'll be eating one live on the show. You'll all be going, I want a Big Mac. Well, it's not your birthday, is it? It's not your birthday. I'm going to have a Big Mac. You're going to sit and watch me eat it. Right, if you get time, have a look at Oshia. Could be worth a look. 50 cents a while, taking the last couple of weeks. Not sure why. Oshia. Sorry, Oshia. I have to focus on the members today, okay? I'll try to, but today's a bit different, right? My old portfolio is green this morning. This is good. This is going to be good. I'm glad my birthday comes on a green day. Everyone's got loads of money. Everyone's going to want to buy me a drink. This is good. This is good. Imagine if it was a red day. Leah, no one's getting me a whiskey this year. It's a red day. It's rubbish. This year's going to be great. This year, I've got a funny feeling I'm going to be on the floor. This is why I want a Big Mac. Big one. A YouTube size. YouTube celebrity. Famous. All that. Right. Zach Zate. Zach thinks it's funny. Do you think this is funny? Do you? You need to calm down, mate. Get some chicken nuggets too. Oh, yeah. Leah, chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. I'll get some chicken nuggets as well. I'll have chicken nuggets as well. Yeah, I will. Are you paying for the chicken nuggets, James? Very expensive. I've only got $10. I can only afford the Big Mac. There's no chicken nuggets, right? No chicken nuggets. Right, don't get carried away. Don't you get carried away. Right, what's the time? 20 past? Is it time to end the show? Send everybody to the 24-hour stream? It might be time. Is it time? Oi! 18,934. It's getting close. Are we going to get to 20,000 today? No. Are we going to get to 19,000 today? Probably not. I don't want to bring the party down or anything, but I'm just telling you, we probably won't get to 19,000 today. Might get about 19,996. That's 60. I don't think we'll get to 19. That's pushing your luck, mate. Especially as I'm not putting any videos out. There's no videos going out. I'm just doing drunkenness. Just basically drunkenness. I mean, who wants to watch that? That's not going to get any subscribers. People are going to go, I'm not subscribing to this nonsense. There's no way I'm subscribing to this. Anyway, get some chicken nuggets. VLD just signed a contract with the Navy. Vincent Vosberg. Send it in. Big M. The Big M. Big M. Big Martyn. Big Mac for Big Martyn. If I eat a Big Mac, I'll become a Big Martyn. How about that? Not Doc Martin. Here he is. Even though it's not your birthday. There's always someone who got to ruin it. There's always someone. Sensei, the party hasn't started yet. It starts after Ronald Dutt, the interview. This is beforehand. And second of all, it's my birthday whenever I say it's my birthday. It's my birthday at midnight tonight. So think on. So we're celebrating it today because I can't do it tomorrow. I'd miss out. I'd be lonely on my own. Right? So it's my birthday at midnight tonight, today. So it is today. So get out of it. I sent, oh, by the way, Sensei, I sent you a message. Did you check your phone? I sent you a message saying, can you do, is it possible, could you do an earnings for us? It's March the 12th, after hours. We've got 2 earnings at the same time. Can you do, I sent you a text, but he hasn't responded. Hasn't even bothered, right? It's my birthday and he hasn't even bothered replying to it. Anyway, it's March the 12th, after hours. We're either going to do funware, well, you're either, if you did it, fun or Heron Therapeutics. I'm not sure which one I want to do. I want to make sure I get the best one, obviously, so I get more views. But can you do it? March the 12th, after hours. So it'll be about 10 o'clock in the evening. So if you're not, yes, everybody, what's his name? What's his name? Who was the guy? What's his name now? Oh, flipping heck. Hang on. It's Crag and Jason Davis. Jason Davis. Okay, hang on. Is Jason Davis is Jason Davis here? Are you here? I'm already feeling drunk, even though I've not drunk anything. Just thinking about I'm going to get drunk. You can get drunk thinking about it. Right. Is Crag here? Crag, are you here? Crag, are you here? I'm not going to be bothered about my spelling soon. You have to guess what I'm saying. We're going to do double shows, double prizes. We're going to have, I forget what we're going to have, but we're going to have something. We're going to have Heron and we're going to have fun. Yeah, good, isn't it? 2 shows at the same time. All right. Anyway, I thought it was Sunday. Oops. No, it's not Sunday. March the 9th is midnight tonight. So stop it. Look at the Bitcoin. Let's watch it all-time highs. I know. 69,000 all-time high. You could go on and do a show if you weren't so lazy. In the extra channel. Go and do a Bitcoin show. Don't sit around just doing nothing. Big happy birthday, Martin. You are special. Oh, thank you, Queen. Sensei Crypto, when are you going to have your 2-year badge? VIP Club. Asti, boom. Asti. We covered it. Asti. I covered this. We trend number 1. Hey, Asti, look at this. I'm loving it. Right. Now then, ASTI stock, ASTI. See if I'm ranking for it. ASTI. We reviewed the stock. We've got them coming on the show. Let's have a look. Are we number 1? Damn it. Don't worry about it. We're number 3. We've only just started though. There you go. We're number 3 in the world for the search term ASTI stock. Number 3. But don't worry about it. We just started, right? Now, we have got, there's the big day. We are going to have the CEO live on the show. That's on Tuesday. By Tuesday, we'll be number 1. No doubt about it. Incognito mode. Paul Thomas, you might as well stop streaming, mate. Satyat Jit, forget it. Pack up. Go home. Turn the camera off. I'm going to be number 1 by Tuesday, and there's nothing you can do about it. Nothing you can do about it. You could try, but it ain't going to change nothing. Right. LOL. Philip McLean. How are you, Philip? I thought it was Sunday. No. Happy birthday, Philip. The party starts in a minute. Rap needs to reclaim 50, says Rob Terrell. DMA. Martin moaning again. Yes, I am. I'm always moaning. That bloody Sensei. He's a pain in the backside. You were right about Asti, Martin. There you go. I'm glad. AJ. It's very easy to rank for a stock when not many people are covering it. And if the review is good, then it drives the stock up. Easy. It doesn't get any publicity. Now it's getting publicity. Agree on Asti. Yes, I'm here. Crag. So we're doing it. We're doing 2 reviews. 2 earnings. Rap replied. Oh, they are actually in talks with Canadians about releasing up here soon. The trade... Sorry, I got a bit overexcited then. I went, hey, I thought you spoke to them about something else. That's still good. That's still good, but that's not what I thought. I thought it was something else. I apologize, Kay. I got a bit excited there. Michael Do, happy birthday, Mr. Martin. Thanks, mate. The party starts in a minute. We haven't started drinking yet. Wait till I start drinking, then you're in trouble. Raman, you should be like my wife, Jenny, who has a birthday month. Yes, the whole bloody month. I'm going to keep it, Raman. Okay, shoot. I miss Canoe. Vincent, happy birthday. Ike Daniel, enjoy your special day from Nigeria. Lovely to have you here. I don't think we have any members from Nigeria. Ike, if you became a member of our channel, you would be the first person to fly the flag for Nigeria. We don't have anyone yet flying the flag for Nigeria. You've got to do that, right? Why would you not? Why would you not do it? There's the bag. There's all the flags. Go, missed it. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I don't know why I said it 3 times. Doesn't matter. It's my show. I say what I like. Here is Flocky, 62%. Where's our XRP? XRP is down here, I think. Is that XRP? Yes, XRP today is up 0.3. Hello. Happy birthday. Happiness every day. Lim Derrick. Lim Derrick, you're doing it as well. I haven't got the whiskey out yet. That comes next. You've got to slow down. Lim Derrick, you've got to wait. This is Singapore money, by the way. Singapore money. I could go to Singapore now and say, oi, can I open a bank? They'll go, no, you can only open a bank in Singapore if you've got any Singapore dollars. I have. My mate Lim Derrick sent me some. I've got some. Let me open a bank. I've got money. I pay good money. Right, anyway, that's coming up. We're not ready for the party yet, so slow down. Felix. Or Feliz. Fez. I have no idea what that means. Nice one, mate. Yes, we're doing it. Sensei Crypto is stepping up to the plate. See, a minute ago, I was having a go at him. Now I'm going, thanks, Sensei. BTC chart, please. Bloody hell. All right, then. BTC, look at that. 69,000. We're all getting rich. Only if you sell it, you're getting rich. All right? Who's selling it? Happy birthday and happy Friday. Loud work. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's now time to get ready. I don't want to go. I'm enjoying myself. The whiskey's ready. Leah is ready to go and order the Big Mac and chicken nuggets. We're going for it today. We just don't care. All right? And the party is about to begin. All day, drinking whiskey, party animal.
Happy birthday, Martin. Happiness every day to you.
Thanks, mate. So, we need to get ready. This is what's going to happen right now. I'm going to send all of you automatically, you don't have to do anything, automatically to the 24-hour stream. This is where you can say what you want. No restrictions here. No members. Open to everybody. It's the OK Corral. I will give you the link for this right now. Here it comes. It'll also send you there automatically. Right? You'll be in there, behind the scenes, hearing what I'm saying, seeing what's going on. I'll be setting up the show for our interview today. Our interview today is Meet the CEO with Ronald Dutt. We're talking Flux Power. I will then be in the 24-hour stream over here with you, and I will give you the link when it starts, when we're ready. Because I want to get Ronald Dutt into the show first of all, settled in, and all the rest of it. When he's in, I will tell you the show's about to start. You can come on in. That then will run. When this finishes, that is when Leah goes and gets me a McDonald's and chicken nuggets and the whiskey gets lined up. This will end and take you automatically through to the party, which starts. It's your time zone. It will be here. It's 2 hours earlier than the normal closing bell. It might go even earlier. but I'll tell you all of that in the 24-hour stream. So if you're always in the 24-hour stream, you'll know where I am. You'll know what's going on. I will then bring you back, and that's when if you want for my birthday, you can buy me a drink and we'll just fall off the chair. Whiskey for shots, whatever. And then after that, it'll go into the party tonight, the music concert, and we'll be just running around naked probably by that point, which is why no one's going to watch. But that's okay, because I'm going to be on OnlyFans instead. I'm joking. I'm not on OnlyFans. I'm not on OnlyFans, okay? Don't go and search Martyn Lucas. Oh no, now they're going to search it and find me. No, seriously, I'm not on OnlyFans. Okay? I wouldn't do that to myself, okay? I wouldn't, honestly. Okay. Now you're thinking I probably would, right? I know. The more I say, the worse this gets. I know, right? So what we're going to do now is we're going to end the show and get ready. I also have Look, James Douglas towards the McDonald's and the chicken nuggets. I've told you to wait. Give me super chats. I can't drink this whiskey until I've got it. And I can't drink it. Oh, hang on. It's towards the McDonald's and chicken nuggets. That's okay then. I'll take that. All right. That's okay. I'll take your money for that. That's okay. I also have Bitcoin myself, says Raman. Morning all, happy birthday Friday. We're getting ready. Trinidad M. How are you, Trinidad M? Looks like you got a motorbike there. I love motorbikes too. I've had lots of motorbikes. 70,000 Bitcoin. Wow. Yes. Look at your ledger. Look at my ledger. Oh, it's going back down again now. Damn it. I could have shown it earlier. Couldn't I have shown it earlier? Yeah, here's my ledger. I'm rich now. Sensei, look. 2,540. It was higher a minute ago. Yeah, I know. It's good, isn't it? Thank you, Sensei, to getting me into crypto. You're making me rich on my birthday. I do appreciate it. A lot. Right. BTC crash. 5 super chat for the McDonald's. We will hit 19 today. Are you serious? Is he having a laugh? Press out on ASTI stating revenue estimate 50 to 80 million. Rob Terrell. Get the water wings out for later. Yep. Sensei, are you sure that I'll sell my Bitcoin? I'm not selling anything. Great morning, amazing vibe. Zach Zate's loving it. Right, so here we go. It's time. It's time to get this party on the road. This is just the build-up. You thought this was good? Flipping heck. You thought this was good? You wait for the real deal. I'm just saying what's happened in the chart. What's happened in chart. Dropped 4% in 1 minute. Sure, it will recover. Okay.
Towards your McDonald's chicken nuggets, Martin.
Thank you. Right, so here we go. Let's get ready to rock and roll. I'm already excited and I haven't drunk a thing. I'm only drinking coffee. It's going to be a hell of a day. You don't want to miss it. Best show ever. Best show on YouTube today ever. So here we go. Let's get out of here. Let's send you now to 24-hour stream. Get excited. Stoke the fire. Get the whiskey ready. Get your McDonald's ready. Get your dancing shoes ready. Get ready to have a party with the best YouTube channel in the world. Right. How many subscribers have we got? Sensei, like 18,935. 65 to go. I don't think we're going to do it today. Oh, 19,000. Oh, I see. Bitcoin. No, 19,000. Oh, flipping heck. You just started a crypto craze there. We will hit 19,000 today. Flipping heck, Sensei. Don't say that. The whole world started selling Bitcoin because of you then. The whole world. Look, Bitcoin's coming down because they're all tuned in. Hang on, what? What did he say? Sensei said to Martyn Lucas, Bitcoin's going to 19,000. Sell that Bitcoin. Sell that Bitcoin. Martyn Lucas, what? Oh, he didn't mean, Hold it. What? 19,000 subscribers? Bloody hell. I just sold all my Bitcoin. Put the bloody phone down. Yeah, 19,000 subscribers, not 19,000 Bitcoin. Oops. Sorry about that, everybody. Sorry. If you went out and then you just sold your Bitcoin on my birthday day, when I'm just being like irresponsible, then it's on you. There's a bloody great disclaimer under this video. And what it says is, this is not financial advice, especially on Martyn Lucas's birthday. Should you sell your Bitcoin today, you can send in a complaint to the management. We do have a management filing cabinet. This is where, if you want to send it in, if you'd like to send in your complaints today that you sold your Bitcoin, all right, we have a filing cabinet. Right, here's the filing cabinet. It's labeled YouTube complaints due to Martyn Lucas's irresponsibilityness. That's not even a word, but that's the name of the filing cabinet, and it goes straight in here. And once we get enough complaints, right, then we act. And what we do is every Wednesday, this gets emptied into the recycle bin. And then that gets taken away on a truck, which gets burned. So we do take action on your complaints. Should you sell your Bitcoin today? Obviously, as people are, you know. So you know, I have a disclaimer. All right. Best YouTube live TV. Okay, I was already... okay. Okay, Sensei, you've got to start taking your role more seriously. People's lives are going to be ruined here. People's lives. Raman was just about to jump off a bridge. He was just about to say, I've got no money. Sensei, before you say something, think there are people watching this show. You need to think on. Don't be irresponsible. It's very, very important. We don't want the YouTube police coming around and arresting me. Oi, Lucas, down here. You're nicked, mate. We don't want any of that. Right. I've talked too long. This has gone on way too long. I've got to get, poor Ronald, he's going to come on a show today and he's thinking, what on earth was this? I was going to go on CNBC and Bloomberg. I agreed to go on your show as a world exclusive. And this is what I ended up with. Flipping heck. Get ready for the stock price to go down the toilet. I mean, it's bound to happen, isn't it? Right. Okay. You ready? You got the link. Here's the link. Bugger off. I've got to be sensible now. At least for the next half an hour. Martyn, don't forget to get a sweater and sour dip to go. Yep. Sweet and sour. Leah, sweet and sour sauce. Yeah, to go with the McDonald's. Absolutely. Ready? Ready? Time to go. You're going to all come over here now. That's it. I'll see you back in a bit. Behave yourselves. Always be mindful. There's an audience watching. Don't be like Sensei Crypto and put out nonsense. $19,000 when just before the halving happens. What's he talking about? It's rubbish. You listen to me. Listen to your Uncle Martyn. I will steer you right. Sensei, not so much. Me on my birthday, even less. But things will be resumed tomorrow, on Monday, and back to normal on Monday. Great advice again. But for today, I might even buy $100,000 of Virgin Galactic on my margin. Who the hell knows? Who cares? Time to join me on the 24-hour stream. Until then, as always, take care of yourself and each other. Leah